Hello all, welcome. In today's session, we are going to see how are we going to do the lift and shift operation for database migration. So we are going to perform the on-premise MySQL database to Google Cloud SQL database. So as part of it, let's see this is a local MySQL instance. As part of my this demo, what we can do is I already have installed MySQL on my local PC, and we are going to do the operation of lift and shift, and we will deploy the data into Google Cloud SQL. So we will perform these steps. First, we will try to create a database and a table in the on-premise MySQL database. We will export the SQL dump file, and the third step is we are going to create a bucket and upload the same SQL dump file into GCS bucket. We'll create a database and import the database to Cloud SQL MySQL instance. Finally, we will validate the results. Without wasting any further time, let's jump into the practical session. So we are trying to connect MySQL database instance from the command prompt. Enter the password. Bang. We connected to the MySQL database in my local machine. Let's see the databases. Right now we don't have. We could see the system databases. We'll be creating a sales underscore DB database, and we will use sales DB database. Inside this database, we will create a sales DB table. This is a script for that. Table got created. Let's insert sample records into this table. Yes, let's validate the data. Now we created a database and table, and records has been inserted into this orders table. Come out from MySQL. So currently we are in downloads folder. Let's use the MySQL dump to export the data from the sales DB database, and we will be exporting the data into this file, into sales DB migration.sql file. Enter password. We can see the files has been created here or not. Let's go back to downloads. The file got created with the export. Let's open it. If you observe here, the orders table got created, and also we inserted a sample records as well. So this file .sql file got exported now. Now we will go to the cloud storage bucket. Let's create a bucket. We can choose a single region. We don't require a lot multi-region. So remaining things we can keep it as default, and let's click on confirm. Yeah, we created a data migration bucket. Let's upload the file which we exported a data from the downloads file. Go to downloads folder and export the data file. So let's go back to the Cloud SQL, open a new tab. go back to inside the MySQL instance. So here one thing we can observe, go to databases. Here were able to see the system databases, and also like we before that we need to create a one user. We can create that. Otherwise, we can go to databases and we can create this database. We'll go with the sales TV, same name. Let's create a database. So we created a database here, sales TV. Go to overview. Here we have a import and export option. If we want to export the database, we can use export option. Currently, we are going to ingest the data from Google Cloud Storage bucket. So let's click on import. Here we can choose two options like file formats. It can be like a SQL or it can be a CSV. So in our example, we are going to select SQL file and let's select the bucket and select the file from the bucket. Here one thing which you need to observe, like a Cloud SQL service account will be granted and read access to the selected file and bucket, which will be reflected in your permissions. This will get applied automatically when we click on import. Go to databases and the destination, select sales DB, import. Imported is successful. Let's go back to database. Here we can see the user database, and if we want to see the data, let's connect to the activate cell. Open in new Cloud Shell, open in new window, authorize. Yes, we can able to connect to databases. From here we can see the sales DB is used, and we can use sales DB. Let's see the table got inserted or not. Select star from orders, sales underscore DB dot orders. Yes, we can able to successfully done the data migration from on-premise to our CloudSQL MySQL instance in GCP. So this is how the data migration we can be done.
Thank you all for your support, and it's encouraged me to do more videos to share my knowledge. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.